Welcome back to the DPSCD Hub. Today we're going to look at MiStar. This is one of the most important features of the Hub because it is your student information system. Be cognizant of the fact that I don't have any information in here from students due to privacy reasons, but I can still walk you through getting into the system. So you click on MiStar. Go to production, you go to Q Web Applications, and you put in your username. Your username is your e-file number on this particular system. You'll find that within the hub, there's going to be different usernames and passwords for all of the functions on the hub. I think it has something to do with security, so just be aware that you may frequently have to put in your username and password. I'm going to go to the new system. Be aware I don't have any student demographics, but I can show you what is available on this particular app. Okay, this is the app that you're going to use for both student attendance and for your gradebook. So, student attendance will come up right off the bat, especially if you have it saved in one of your favorites. I have student attendance, class roster, and my gradebook all saved in my favorites for easy access so that they'll come up. And how you do that is to go down to this little star button and add whatever application you're currently in by pressing the star and then saving. You can also do notes. You can see what your application history looked like and to change any application preferences. I would avoid using any of these three because I think the parameters are already set up to support you. But I would and do use notes and favorites. As for the top of the menu, you have the menu, which you can analyze the student reports and data. You have your attendance. This is also good for systems and routines because you can add your seating chart as well, and it's flexible, so you can change it throughout the year as you find the need. You have enrollment. This is basically your all your student information. You're going to be able to access student phone numbers. You're going to be able to access students' performance over time. You're going to be able to access all that information that is going to be important to you as you develop relationships with their families. So this is going to be important information. Your marks. This is your grade book. You're going to need to use this on a daily basis. My best practice when I'll go into the grade book, even though you can't see what you're going to see during the course of the year, would be to use Common Core standards instead of just saying fact and opinion. Use the Common Core standard related to fact and opinion so that you can see which Common Core standards you've met and taught and which ones still need to be taught. There's also your schedule, and you can put class news in here as well. So you have a bunch of different resources packed into this MiStar program. Hopefully you will be able to become well versed on it as you see your class lists show up, or multiple class lists if you're teaching in middle school or high school, and it will be an informative tool for you moving forward. Thank you for your time. It's been a pleasure helping you.